morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie if you are new. Today we have our travel and day one Disney vlog. We are just waiting to go onto the tunnel, basically, to go on the train. We've never been on the train before. John is just sticking the headlamp deflectors on the front of the car, and yeah, we're going to be ready to go. So I will see you on the train.
Les amis, il n'y a qu'un mot pour décrire cet écrou. Ciao!
Route 66. She is full of the crazy beautiful.
Le garage, pardon. Oh, the ghost garage. I've been dying to get out. Hey, it's the Copper Canyon traffic maze. I've been there. Wow, tu as réussi à sortir. This canyon is so beautiful and calm. Seulement en apparence. Wow, bien!
Are you ready? Watch it.
Avec ma tour à fuel, c'est un petit bout de Paris.
This is your masterpiece, man. The Eiffel Tower.
Hello. So what are you doing? Hello everyone. So we've just arrived at Sequoia Lodge. And there's a lot of noise outside. We've just arrived at Sequoia Lodge, and I just thought I would show you around our room before it gets absolutely trashed by all of the baby stuff. So I just thought I'd give you a quick room tour featuring Fox. So as we walk in, we have to our right our little wardrobe area with our safe, and then here, hello, we have our mirror and vanity area, sink, hairdryer, lots and lots of storage. We have our cute little Disney toiletries, just adorable, and everything in this hotel is Bambi themed, so even the tissues, so cute. Just apologise, we've just been running around the studios, so I'm very, very warm. And then you come in here and you have the toilet, and you also have the bath and shower, and that also comes with some Disney toiletries. And then if we come through, this is the room featuring Mr. Fox playing with his toys. Not under the bed, please, Foxy. Okay, that's going to get lost. We have 2 double beds, and then we also have the TV with coffee station, lots of storage here, a nice little table area with a nice mirror, and a gorgeous big window. We're on the ground floor, so we've just got a nice forest vibe. No one's overlooking, and it's just really, really nice. So I think that I am going to make a coffee because I've been up since 5 o'clock UK time, and it is now 20 to 4 Paris time. And as you can tell by my bags, I'm very tired. So I'm going to make a coffee, and we're going to unpack, and then we're going to head back into Walt Disney Studios for, we've got a dinner reservation at 5:30 at PYM Kitchen, and we're hoping to go on the Ratatouille ride and just have a little wander around that park. So yes, I'm going to get that done now, and then I can hopefully show you some bits in the park. I haven't been able to film much the first time we went in because it was raining so bad that I didn't want to get my camera just drenched. So I will try and film some more this evening. But yes, we're having a lovely time. It's been a little bit stressful. Lots of people still for a Tuesday. But yeah, we're looking forward to having a nice, busy but fun family few days at Disney. Ready, steady. Ready.